The Ford Bronco is Ford's new off-roading vehicle that's meant to compete with Jeep, and I've done reviews and off-roading stuff with the Ford Bronco, but I've never brought you a short compact video of some of the coolest features of this vehicle, and so that's what I'm doing today. So here are some of the coolest features and knickknacks that you can find on the Ford Bronco. Let's hop right into the video. Now, the first thing I want to talk about in the Ford Bronco is the fact that this has a disconnectable sway bar. Now, the disconnectable sway bar part isn't the coolest thing on this car because a lot of off-road vehicles have it, and it's not the fact that it can be electronically disconnected from inside the cabin because the Gladiator can do that. But the fact that this can do it while under load and in an off-road situation, that way you can get whatever you need to be done, I think is a pretty cool feature. And the second thing I want to talk about is the design of the Bronco. The Bronco has a very boxy design, as you can see, but it takes a lot of elements from the original Bronco and mixes it with a lot of modern elements, including the LED headlights and the LED taillights and a lot of the modern technology on it. It's very unique and it's very noticeable on the road, and everyone knows that you're driving a Ford Bronco. Another cool thing about the Bronco is that it has over 200 accessories and things that can be changed out and personalized to your liking. That includes grille, wheels, lights, bumpers, tents, cargo management systems, and interior trim pieces that can be bought and purchased to your liking. Another cool feature about the Ford Bronco is the fact that the doors are removable and you're able to leave the mirrors on. On top of that, Ford gives you bags that you can put your doors in and store them in the rear cargo compartment of the vehicle. That way you can have them wherever you go. Doesn't matter if it starts to rain wherever you are and you have your doors off, you could take them out of the bags in the trunk and put them back on. I definitely like that feature just in case you get caught in some pretty crappy weather. And some cool little knickknacks here. If you see right here, the engine start stop button actually looks like the headlight on the front of the Bronco. On top of that, for other little Bronco logos and little Bronco Easter eggs around here, you have a little Bronco, of course, on your gear selector right here, and below that an American flag. But within the gas cap in the back, if you open it, you can see all the Bronco generations from the past like 40 years inside of the gas cap. It's a really cool Easter egg that you can show your friends and brag about. And if you're interested in recording any of your adventures inside of your Bronco, the Bronco has a GoPro mount up here on the dashboard. And to keep your GoPro charged, you also have power outlets right here to make sure your GoPro dies and that you get everything that you want on video. And the final thing I want to talk about is that the Bronco comes with a 7-speed manual transmission. Now, this one's been optioned with the 10-speed because it has the 2.7-liter EcoBoost, but if you do get the 2.3-liter in line 4, you can get a 7-speed manual transmission. There's an optional 10-speed like this one has, and if you need a little more power, you can go up to that 2.7-liter V6. That makes 330 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque, just in case you're looking for a little more power. But I think it's awesome that Ford still offers a 7-speed manual transmission when none of their vehicles other than the Mustang still has an optional manual in it. And those were some cool features of the new 2021 Ford Bronco. If you guys liked the video, make sure you hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more from us, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.